Okay, this is how you are going to use your Gmail group in Meet. We are going to go to the waffle, go to calendar. I am going to pick my date and my time. I'm going to put my title, Trying Out Meet. I'm going to añadir videollamada de Google Meet. And then I'm going to go añade invitados. And I have a group named teachers, which is right here. I'm going to click on that. And here are the teachers that I have included in my group. And then I am going to click and save or guardar. Yes, I want them to receive an email. And that's it. Once you go back to your email, and you already sent your email. That's it.